Alright vlog, so I am in the training stage, the mentor stage with the trucking thing. Truck, Madmo, Chirina, and his dog. We're at this Indian reservation shop. Here vlog, so we're in Arizona. And that's I'm doing this on my iPhone. I was trying to zoom in over there for you guys on those cars and that bus. That's that little thing right there, and that's the shop. Trying to see if we can go buy something cool in there from the Indians.
I'm gonna go see if I can find this.
Guys, so I'm eating at a Love truck stop right now. I ate at one yesterday, and I ate this burger called Beyond Burger. It's a plant-based burger because I don't eat meat. It's very delicious. It looks just like a real burger, and it's so delicious. And I have a float. But yeah, I'm in New Mexico right now. Look at that, my old job over there. Skip that. Alright guys, so I just got done with the meal and I'm walking outside right now, walking back to the truck. It's nice in New Mexico. You can see like it's some mountains. I don't know if you guys can see it in the background, like over there behind that truck. It's a lot of beautiful landscapes and stuff, you know what I mean? That's our truck right there. Alright guys, so it's the next day and it's shower time. So I'm about to go take a shower in the Love truck stop. Shower clothes, shower bag. A mad move, you know? Oh yes. Alright guys, so this is how the inside of the shower look. It's pretty clean. They clean it every time. As soon as somebody take a shower, they clean it. It's a pretty nice setup. I have my shower sandals. Put these on. Get the stuff out of my book bag. So we just got to some truck yard. I'm gonna show you guys how to unhook a trailer. It's pretty nice. First thing we do is pull out the sandal. Crank handle. Make sure it's in place. And start spinning it until the landing peg come down. After that, you come to the air lines and the electrical lines. Disengage. Put it back up there, and that's it. Ready to go deliver a load. I just got some Subway, still in New Mexico somewhere. We just stopped at our next Love. It's very beautiful, and I've seen some dust storms for the first time in my life. It's like a mini tornado. It's crazy. See truck there. Mad move. That's Mexico. A big Mexican name over this.